Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. This is the clock we're working on today. Hand cut crystal, Boudoir clock, mid-century, made in Germany. No cracks, chips, nibbles, fly bips or anything else on it. Okay, we're going to take the movement to pieces, we're going to service it, oil it, put it back together again. First thing we do, we've got to remove these nuts at the back. I've got a little 5mm spanner that comes in very handy for these things. They're not easy to access. Loosen them up a little bit, get them over the lip, then we'll take the winder and the time set pillar out. Alright, so we wind the key in the opposite direction, wind it clockwise and it'll come out. This one just pulls straight out, doesn't wind. Now we can take off the nuts of these a little bit tight. Take them off, then we can remove the back plate. One. Then the clock movement will fall out. Here we go, we'll take that off. That's the inside of the movement that we're going to strip down and clean, oil, put back together again. Drops out through the front, as easy as that. Bit of light on, that's the movement there. That's the dial. Right, let's start to take this to pieces. First we'll remove these screws that hold the movement in. And we've just lost the tip of our screwdriver. Loosen that up a little bit, bit big. Loosen that, push it in. And tighten that screw down. That'll hold the blade in. Right, now we'll remove these screws. One. That's two. Then we can carefully pull the movement out. There's the movement. Spring. balance wheel, hairspring. Right, let's take that to pieces. Put those in there, we don't lose them. Now we've got to wind up the spring because we need to contain it in one of these clamps I've made. Oh, that seems to be alright. That'll hold. Put that aside. Right, now we'll undo these three nuts here, and they appear to be smaller than 5 mil, so I'll have to find another spanner for them. Right, now we'll take the hands off. We'll use a pair of tweezers for that. Turn that light off, it's a bit bright on that one. Slide them under and gently lift up. Oh, a little bit tight, I'll have to use my fingernails. You don't want to snap the hand off the collet. Minute hand, down under for the hour hand, being careful not to scratch the face. There we go, they're both gone. Now we can remove the face from the movement. And there's 3 screws. One there. One there. Right, in this one we've got 2 and a couple of hooks. Okay, let's undo those. Slot the screwdriver down the hole in the plate to make it easier. Get into the head of the screw and turn it round. And the second one, coming out a little bit more easily. That one over there. Now back to the other one. And there we go. Unwind him. Drops out. Put him in a dish. Now the movement should just lift off there. Right, that's the face. We'll put that over there. And whoop, missed him. Getting caught up in my glove. I think I might have to change to my blue gloves, I think. Too many bits catching.